Introducing Copper Mountain Hardware glass and crystal doorknob sets. These doorknob sets are available in 4 functions and 4 finishes: antique brass, oil rubbed bronze, polished chrome, and brushed nickel. Shown here are 3 different doorknob styles. This is the fluted Regency doorknob, shown here with a polished chrome base. Next is the Providence octagon style, shown here with an oil-rubbed bronze base. And third is the traditional round doorknob, shown here with an antique brass base. We carry a variety of backplate styles. Shown here is the rectangular and the arched backplate. Shown here is an arched rosette plate with the traditional round glass doorknob in an antique brass finish as a double-sided dummy. As you can see, the double-sided dummy includes a doorknob and a rosette plate for each side of the door. The double-sided dummy rosette plates are interconnecting, which means they screw into one another through the door. Shown here is an arched rosette with the Providence octagon crystal doorknob in an oil-rubbed bronze finish. If you order a passage or a privacy set, you will receive the face and strike plates. If you order a passage set, you will receive a passage latch and a passage spindle. If you order a privacy set, you will receive a privacy latch, a privacy spindle, and a privacy pin to lock and unlock the doorknob set.